What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be working on my OBS Ford. So I recently put a Dana 60 axle on it with kingpin axles. So today I'm going to be changing these two-wheel drive coil buckets out for these triple shocks right here. So one for each side, right? Here we go. So yeah, one for each side. I think they're either Skyjackers or Ranchos, but they just bolt on with 3 bolts. I mean 4 bolts right here. And I'm gonna be putting them on. I got the bottom mounts on already, as you can see. Perfect. This ratchet strap was holding my knuckles together, but I got tie rod and drag link installed, so I could remove that. What I also might do today is change this standard ride height pitman arm out for the drop pitman arm, which I got somewhere over here, hopefully. Yeah, should over here somewhere. Yeah, the wild forest of parts right here. Well, let me go find it and I'll get back to you guys. So I wasn't able to find this drop pitman arm bracket or pitman arm that I was looking for. So I'm just gonna cross that bridge when I get there and start working on this thing. Not make any more excuses, whatever. So I'm gonna take off these wheels, put this thing on jack stands, and then I'll be able to easily access these rivets and stuff, and then just be able to take this whole thing off. Just go to town on it, whatever. Alright, so now that I've gotten the wheels and tires off, it's going to be way easier to get to these brackets right here. So I'm going to just start grinding all these rivets off. Probably not going to care about this. There's no rivets behind there. So you got 2 rivets right here on the bottom. I don't know if this bump stop has a rivet right there. I don't think so. I think it's just part of the frame. So grind all these off, then it should come off. So let's start doing that. right, now a moment of truth. Probably gonna need to get a hammer or something. Well, let me grab one. Alright, so I got this old coil bucket off finally. I had to air hammer all these rivets that were holding it in. And had to have the air hammer on there for a while before they finally broke loose, but they did. And now yeah, because I got a tiny compressor and cheap air hammer, my good air hammers at work. So now I think the closest one to match these holes up with is this one, and then I'll mark 3 more holes, center punch them, and then drill them out to whatever size bolt this is. But yeah, the drilling will take a while. Might put it on time lapse, might just regroup and show you what it looks like afterwards, because this stupid GoPro batteries is like drain so fast. So we'll see. Alright, so I got everything marked up, center punched. Everything looks like pretty good and pretty level, like it's supposed to be there, or was there from the factory. So I'm going to drill these holes out and then throw it on, see how it looks like there. So I got 3 out of the 4 holes drilled out. For this last one, I'm letting the batteries recharge it for the drill real quick. Then I'm going to do that one, do this last one. Then I'll bolt the whole thing up. Hopefully I know where the hardware is for the bottom ones, but yeah, it should look good. We'll see. Alright, finally got all 4 holes drilled out. Let's see how this thing looks like on there. triple shock setup on a OBS Ford with a I don't even know how much lift this is. I think it's a 6-inch spring. That's a reverse shackle kit for 2 inches, 2.5 inches, I think. Not 100% sure. I think 2 inches. So 2 inches plus 6, I think that's an 8-inch. I'm not sure though, but you can put the wheel on for mock-up. But you get the point with what I had to do. So I'm not going to bore you with doing the other side. I might as well throw the wheel on for mock-up, but other than that, let's set this down and throw on the wheel. So there you have it. This is what it's going to look like. I think it looks a little cheesy, a little bit corny. Obviously, I think I'm going to need new shocks. I don't know. But it also looks kind of cool. 3 might be too much, but I think 2 is perfect, but yeah. Nice. Does not look bad at all. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you found this good or whatever. Comment, subscribe, do all the above.